Hello traders and welcome to the daily Forex setup for April 5th, 2019. So we're going to start here looking at the dollar yen and again a little bit slim pickings. Markets didn't move a whole lot ahead of the NFPs and a little hesitant in picking one ahead of NFPs, but I'm going to go ahead and look at the dollar yen here. And what I'd like to see here is that you saw it. We had some positive, we had some optimism this week, and I said stocks rising, chopping a little bit, and you saw the dollar yen kind of rise along with it. So ahead of the NFP here, you kind of saw a lot of buying up of the this pair, the dollar yen, selling off on the yen. But I would like to see if the NFPs can go ahead and spike into this 112 level, see some momentum fall, some momentum come out of the market, and then start to trade off. So this is kind of an NFP trade, but again, I like to see that spike up and then momentum to kind of trail off here right around the 112 figure. But we could spike into 112.51, so momentum certainly going to be important here. Like to get into the level and then see momentum again trail off. So 112 is what we're going to focus on, but be aware that it could certainly squeeze into 112.50. Let's go and go down to a lower time frame here. On the lower time frame, you can kind of see this kind of drift here, very choppy, but certainly drifting higher, has a bias to the upside. So we're watching this again, this 112 figure, but bear in mind, could really good support here at 112.51. So it could spike into this area. So just a couple areas to be wary of, and remember, momentum is certainly key here. So we're going to go ahead and look towards the short side here. If we can spike into this area, lose some momentum, and then start moving to the downside here, I'd like to risk just above there, around 112.40, and target right around 110.88. So here's the trade. 112 is the entry here. Stop is at 112.40. Target at 110.88. That'll be a good mover there. Gives us a risk reward of 2.88 to 1. So again, risk reward falls right in line. Looking towards the short side in the dollar yen. A bit of an NFP trade here. So remember, wait for the spike, wait for the momentum. That spike could give us an opportunity to really go ahead and short the yen. The other alternative here is that it spikes a little bit more than we think and goes into 112.51. In this case, again, momentum is certainly key. I would go ahead and risk the entry here is at 112.50. I would go ahead and target 111.61 here with the stop at 112.86. So again, if we get a little bit more of a spike, the entry is at 112.50, 112.86 is the stop, and 111.61 is the target. That's our daily Forex setup for the day, April 5th, 2019. Good hunting out there and happy trading.